Students, in this video I'm going to discuss half adder. So here you see that half adder. So there is a word adder. So you get to know that the half adder is also an adder, and the job of adder is to add bits. Alright, in the arithmetic logic unit, the adders are there which perform the addition of the bits, alright, or the binary digits. Now what is half adder? So half adder is a logic circuit that adds 2 bits, right? How many bits? 2 bits. It is a combinational circuit that inputs 2 binary digits and outputs 2 binary digits, means inputs 2 binary digits and outputs 2 binary digits. Now the question arises, inputting 2 binary digits, fine, because it is adding 2 binary digits, but how come it is producing the 2 binary digits? Alright, so let me show you the rules of the binary addition of 2 bits. So these are bits, so it can be either 0 or 1. So here rules are there: 0 plus 0, then 0 plus 1, and then 1 plus 0 and 1 1. Only these many combinations are possible with the 2 bits. Now we are getting back to the binary addition rules. So here 0 plus 0 produces 0 sum and 0 carry. 0 plus 1 produces 1 sum, 0 carry. 1 plus 0 produces 1 sum, 0 carry. Means either you have 0 and 1, or you have 1 plus 0. In both the ways, in both the cases, you are going to have the same result. Here also 1 sum 0 carry, this also 1 sum 0 carry. When the bits are 1, means all the bits or both the bits here are having the value 1. So in that case, 0 will be the sum and 1 will be the carry. Alright, always remember that, students. Now that is why it is said that half adder inputs 2 bits and outputs 2 binary digits. So these binary digits which are output over there, these are basically the sum and carry. Alright, now this entire thing can be implemented into a form of a truth table or through a truth table. So we find that a truth table with 2 inputs A and B and 2 outputs carry and sum. Alright, now inputs are first row 0 0, second row 0 1, third row 1 0, and the fourth row is 1 1. Alright, now we write the outputs. So one column is of carry, the other column is of sum. So all we need to do is just write down whatever is written here. When the combination was 0 plus 0, so we have written carry 0 and sum 0. When the combination is there 0 plus 1, then carry is sum, carry is 0 and sum is 1. So here you can see the carry is 0 and sum is 1. After that, when we have the combination 1 plus 0, carry is 0, sum is 1. So here also carry 0 and sum is 1. After that, the last row has got 1 1. So here it is 1 plus 1 equals to 1 0. Alright, normally also if you see that in decimal number, if I add 1 plus 1, what do I get? I get 2, and the binary representation of 2 is 1 0. So students, here sum is 0 and the carry is 1, and half adder is limited to 2 bits only. Now we get back to the truth table. I hope everybody has the clear idea that why I have taken 2 columns as the output columns, right? One for the carry and the other is sum. Now we focus upon one output column, that is carry, and try to find out which boolean operation it is performing, right? Now 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 and 1 1 1. That means when all the inputs are high or 1, the output is 1. That is the key feature of AND operation. And in the AND operation, wherever even a single 0 is there, output is going to be 0. So we can write carry as A dot B, or we may say A and B. Remember, AND's A is A and D are capital, or AND must be written in the capital letters. Alright, follow with all the gates. Okay, now after that we observe sum. So we find 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 0. Right, now students, we find that here 0 is there, it is producing 0. Here all ones are there, it is also producing 0. Right, so neither and not or operation is there. Alright, neither and nor or operation is there. So we observe that here, suppose in this row, when the odd number of inputs it is having as 1, then the output will be 1. There also you see odd number of ones are there, just single one is there. So for that also that is produced. Is that clear to everyone? So whenever the odd number of ones are there, output of the sum column is 1. And when we say odd number of ones in the input, so we get 1. So that is the key feature of the XOR gate. So for the sum we write A XOR B. Alright, or A XOR B. Now students, we draw a logic circuit here. So A, B are the two inputs here, and here we draw one gate, XOR gate for the sum, and one AND gate for the carry, and we send in this A and B. So A XOR B, it's written there, and for this also we send A and B, so that is A dot B is written there. Alright, so this is basically the concept of the half adder. So always write the definition, draw the truth table, and write or draw these logic circuits as well. Draw the logic circuit also. Thanks everyone.